sound.
Hey guys, welcome back to another book review. Please subscribe to my channels and give this video a thumbs up. The name of this book is called The Kid from Planet Z. Don't Sneeze. Written by Nancy Krulak. Illustrated by Lewis Thomas. The characters in this story is Zeke, Amila, Eddie, Zeke's mom, Zeke's dad, Slade, Slade's friends, Mr. Zimmermoon, and Zeus. The settings in this story is at the circus, home, school, spaceship, and playground. This book is about Zeke. He is a kid from outer space. Zeke got the flu, and the mucus doesn't come from his nose. It comes from his eyes. Gross. So Zeke has to hide the flu from his friends so that Zeke's friends will not know that Zeke is an alien. My favorite part is when Slade is a mean 5th grader, and he took a bag of lollipops from Amila when she tried to share one of her lollipops with Eddie. So Zeke turned invisible and started to tickle Slade and his friends. That was super duper funny. What I learned from this book is that when you see a bully bullying somebody else, you have to teach the bully a lesson to not bully other people. That's it for my book review. Please subscribe to my channels and give this video 1,000 likes. Bye!